Hello, grade 3 kids. How are you? I'm Teacher Zeus, and today we are going to discuss a new lesson, which is Lesson 4 from your textbook, Everybody Up. Okay, so we're done with Lesson 3, and now we are going to proceed to Lesson 4, which is all about cooking. So, what is cooking? Let's define first what cooking is. So, cooking is the process of preparing food by use of heat or cold. So, today we are going to learn 4 vocabularies from your lesson. So, part A, let's read first the instruction. Okay, it says here listen, point, and say. So, listen, point, and then you are going to point, and then say. It means as I say it, you say it as well, or you follow after me. Okay, now let's read the vocabularies one by one. Okay, so number 1 is omelette. Okay, one more time, omelette. Number 2, smoothie. Okay, number 2, smoothie. Number 3, fruit salad. Number 3, fruit salad. And number 4, milkshake. Number 4, milkshake. Okay, one more time. Let's read these 4 vocabularies. Okay, from number 1. Ready? Omelette. Number 2, smoothie. Number 3, fruit salad. And number 4, milkshake. Okay, now this time, as I say the number, you will say the word. So if you're ready, let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, one more time. Okay, so if you're ready, let's start. Number 3. Number 1. Number 4. Number 2. Okay, good job. Okay, so this time, kids, I want you to get your notebook and I want you to start writing these 4 words. Okay, so when you're finished writing these vocabularies, I want you to draw them one by one. Okay, just like this one. So on number 1, after you have written omelette, then you draw the omelette. And then after you have written smoothie, you will draw smoothie, and so on. Okay, kids, so that's all for today. So all you have to do is write and draw. And most importantly, I want you to memorize 4 vocabularies. I know you can do it. Okay, so that's all for today. Peace.